LMN and our local architect partners, TEF, were hired to help reimagine what the future of undergraduate education looks like on the Berkeley campus. The idea that we could provide a building that was low carbon, low energy use, daylit, beautiful views, open air, resilient. It can function even if the power's out temporarily or if there's an earthquake. When this building's complete, its 26 classrooms is going to be a very large percentage of the general assignment classrooms here on campus. We had a really wonderful relationship with plant construction from the outset, even to today as we're finishing up the project. The project's been under construction for about 2 years now, but we're about a month away from completion. So we're down here visiting the project to see how it's finishing up. So one of our strategies for getting this really clean, open corridor that shows off the timber is to create an interstitial zone between the corridor and the classrooms as a drop ceiling. All of our mechanical systems, all of our piping and ductwork and AV and telecom is running up in this space. And then in the classroom side as well, open to the ceiling, very little services up in the ceiling level. So prioritizing having a clean look, beautiful exposure to the wood, high ceilings for daylight coming in for the students. So I think this is a great moment in the project where you can really understand the heart of the building, the student experience that people are going to have out here in the sun, looking out in the trees and nature, spending time together. And we also love this idea that the curvaceous edge of the auditorium, which responds to these beautiful mature trees that we all worked hard to keep here on the west side of the site, would have this Alaskan yellow cedar lean rail so that people could kind of just walk up to that edge, feel like they're just participating in the nature around them. The good to society of having a lower carbon building is great. But what's really exciting is how people experience the building when they come into it. It's lofty, tall spaces, beautiful wood columns and beams, kind of has a glow and a warmth to it that is inviting. People enjoy being in these kinds of buildings aesthetically from how it looks, but we also see that it improves air quality, humidity levels, reduces sick days for people and improves learning outcomes. We classify all those under the title of biophilia. We've also seen a lot of interest in the community around this building. Groups of architects and builders are coming to visit the building and see what it means to be a mass timber building here in California. It's been a beautiful process to be involved in, getting to come down here, visit the site and see this timber building rising up. This is a new kind of building that sits lightly on the land, more connected to the beautiful nature around it.